Hi friends, I'm gonna show you how to make the parrot from 260Q. So I inflate the balloon like for the almost till end, and I left the only small piece at the end. So what I'm doing is first, I just make the bubble, and then the second one I make a little bit bigger than the first one. Then I take this hand and twisting here. This is our head. Here. Now we have to make the body. I make a bubble, big one. Just measure it the same to be keep the same similar. Twisting here and twisting around the neck. Then I make one more. Measuring, twisting. To keep them like all together, I'm not tying. I just take the one bubble and the bubble what I just made and turning in between. Like this. See? Now we have a parrot. So then I'm measuring nice circle like this, probably a little bigger, because we need where the parrot's sitting, and we need the tail. Just doing like this, twisting here around this one, and we have like this construction. Now we have to put our parrot inside, forming nice round, circle, and keep like this. There you go, we have a parrot. So then I take again my marker and just making the eyes. One and two. Here we do have a parrot. Thank you for watching. Here is parrot. Thank you for watching.